Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I am gonna make a chocolate flavored pecan pie. That's right. It's not gonna be the regular traditional pecan pie. It's chocolate flavored pecan pie with the same ingredients. Now you can still make this pecan pie if you don't want the chocolate. You can leave that part out and just make the regular pecan pie. So, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and please, during the video, leave lots of comments down below, okay? Now, let's get into this video. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, everyone, the ingredients you will need one unbaked pie crust. I'm using a deep dish pie crust shell. You will need granulated sugar. You will need melted butter. You will need light Karo syrup or dark Karo syrup. You will need some chopped chocolate or some chocolate chips. Okay, this is just some chocolate I chopped off of a chocolate bar, and that is about a half a cup. You will need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay, you will need 1 cup of chopped pecans or pecans, some might say. Okay, you will need 3 whole eggs. You will need a half a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring. You will need a half a teaspoon, or some would say a pinch of salt. You will need a large bowl for mixing. You will need a wire whisk, and you will need a spatula. Okay, and also I like to cover my edges of my pie crust when I put it in the oven, so I use aluminum foil. So let's get started and let's get into making our chocolate flavored pecan pie. Our chocolate flavored pecan pie. This is very delicious and tasty. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to beat your 3 eggs. Okay, so now we're gonna mix our granulated sugar, our brown sugar, our Karo syrup. I'm using light Karo syrup. It doesn't matter if it's light or dark Karo syrup. Okay. I'm gonna mix in the butter as well. Get your spatula so that you can get all of the syrup out and into the mixing bowl. Okay. So now we have that syrup out. And next, your melted butter. And your 3 beaten eggs. This is a very easy recipe for your chocolate flavored pecan pie. Okay. Your pinch of salt. And your vanilla flavoring. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Now, you're going to mix your ingredients together. Okay. You just use your spatula. You can use your wire whisk. Just make sure everything is incorporated and combined together perfectly, okay? Now that you have mixed all those ingredients together, we're going to mix in our 1 cup of chopped pecans, okay? And now we're going to mix that together, like so. Now, you must pour your pecan pie mixture into your deep dish pie crust. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to place our chocolate on top so that it can melt down into our pie. And you only do this when you are getting ready to place it into the oven. And since my oven is preheated, I'm about to get ready to place it in the oven. But first I'm going to cover my edges with foil, okay? Okay. Get all my dishes out of the way into my sink. Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay. And we are going to form a covering with aluminum foil around the edges. Like so. Okay, and for the first 30 minutes of baking, you will keep the foil on the edges. And after 30 minutes, you will take the aluminum foil off the edges of your pie crust, okay? Okay, everyone, so remember to have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to place this in the oven with the foil on the edges for 30 minutes. And then once the 30 minutes are done, we are going to take our chocolate flavored pecan pie out of the oven, and we will take the foil off. The foil is on there so that we do not burn the edges of our pecan pie. Remember, 30 minutes, 350 degrees, take it out, remove the aluminum foil so that we do not burn our edges. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. Here, after 30 minutes, baking my pecan pie at 350 degrees, I am taking the foil off of the edges of my pie. The reason why I placed it into another pan is so that if something boils over, it doesn't spill into the oven. So now we are going to place the pecan pie back in the oven after removing the foil. And we are going to cook it for 20 to 25 more minutes or until it's not jiggly anymore. Okay? Okay, you guys. So my pie isn't done yet. After I put it back in the oven, I went back and I replaced the aluminum foil on the edges because the edges are cooking and I don't want them to burn. So I went back and placed the aluminum foil on them. And if yours start to cook faster as well, go ahead and place the aluminum foil back on it and then place your pie back in the oven because it's still jiggling in the middle, and that's what I'm about to do, okay? Okay, everyone, so my pecan pie is done. I have pulled it out of the oven and I am going to allow it to rest for 3 hours, maybe overnight, to allow it to cool before slicing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a chocolate flavored pecan pie. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned to my channel for another great video with Cooking with TK. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have a great day.